Unplug the Vizio TV from the wall outlet completely. Wait for a few seconds while the Vizio TV powers down fully. Locate the power button on the Vizio TV itself, not on the remote. Press and hold the power button on the Vizio TV for 30 full seconds. This step drains any leftover power inside the Vizio TV's internal circuits. Keep holding that power button firmly on the Vizio TV, don't rush it. After 30 seconds, release the power button on the Vizio TV. Now leave the Vizio TV unplugged for about 1 full minute. During this minute, inspect the power cable connected to the Vizio TV. Make sure the cable of the Vizio TV is not frayed, bent, or damaged. Check the wall outlet where the Vizio TV will be plugged back in. If possible, try a different power outlet to test the Vizio TV. Plug the power cable firmly back into the Vizio TV's power port. Ensure the other end of the cable is securely in the wall socket. Now press the power button on the Vizio TV once. Watch for the small indicator light on the front of the Vizio TV. If the indicator light on the Vizio TV glows solid, that's a good sign. Wait a few moments while the Vizio TV boots up completely. If the Vizio TV still doesn't turn on, don't worry. Keep following. Unplug the Vizio TV again to repeat the power cycle process. Hold down the power button on the Vizio TV for another 15 seconds. This ensures that all internal components of the Vizio TV are fully discharged. Plug the Vizio TV back into the power outlet once again. Turn the Vizio TV on and observe if the Vizio logo appears. If the Vizio TV still won't power on, inspect the remote next. Remove the batteries from the Vizio TV remote control. Press every button on the Vizio TV remote once to release stuck keys. Insert fresh batteries into the Vizio TV remote. Try powering on the Vizio TV again using the remote. If the Vizio TV responds, the power cycle has likely worked. If not, press the power button directly on the Vizio TV again. Listen carefully for any click or sound from the Vizio TV's panel. If you hear a sound, it means the Vizio TV is receiving power. If there's no sound, check the power cable of the Vizio TV again. Wiggle the connection slightly to ensure it's seated firmly in the Vizio TV. Avoid using power strips, plug the Vizio TV directly into the wall. Some power strips can prevent the Vizio TV from receiving full current. Turn on the Vizio TV once more and look for the screen backlight. If the Vizio TV's backlight flickers, it's starting to power up. Wait another few seconds to see if the Vizio TV fully displays its logo. If the Vizio TV boots, leave it on for a few minutes to stabilize. Now use the remote to navigate through the Vizio TV's menu. Go to Settings on the Vizio TV screen. Scroll down to System on the Vizio TV's Settings menu. Choose Reset and Admin on the Vizio TV menu options. Select Soft Power Cycle on the Vizio TV's System menu. Confirm the soft power cycle on the Vizio TV and wait. The Vizio TV will turn off and then back on automatically. This built-in cycle helps refresh the Vizio TV's internal memory. When the Vizio TV restarts, check if it runs smoother than before. If everything looks normal, the Vizio TV power cycle was successful. If issues remain, perform another manual power cycle on the Vizio TV. Unplug the Vizio TV again and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Plug it back in and press the power button once to restart the Vizio TV. This repeated process ensures the Vizio TV's capacitors reset properly. Watch the startup light on the Vizio TV and wait for it to stabilize. When the Vizio TV logo appears steadily, the power system has reset. Allow the Vizio TV to stay powered on for at least 5 minutes. Observe if the Vizio TV operates normally without shutting off. Congratulations, you've successfully performed the #1 power cycle trick every Vizio TV owner should know, right here on Tech Vibes.